Good morning, students. Now it's time for spoken English session. So take out your spoken English joyful C. And now open page number 9. Yes. So in earlier session, we did this page elephant. So students, have you learned this rhyme? Yes. Edgar the elephant looks very queer. He walks down the street with an egg on each ear. So you have you recited this jingle? Very good. And these question answers. And have you tried to make some sentences and statements by on your own? Very good. So keep it up. Okay. Now move to the next page. Okay. Today we will do F for flamingo. So first of all, you have to circle on today's day, mention here today's date, month, year, and check out the weather and circle on the weather. Okay. Now see on your screen, whose picture is this? Yes, this is called flamingo. Flamingo. Okay. This is mama letter F. This is baby letter F. F for flamingo. Okay. So let's listen the phonic sound of F.
Flamingos are flapping here. Fa, 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 fa. Fa is the sound of F. Fa, 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 fa.
So, is the sound of F. Okay. F for flamingo. Now see on your screen what you observe in this picture. See carefully. Here is a flamingo and its name is Freddy. Freddy. Okay, Freddy the flamingo. Now see, here is a frog and he is sipping tea on a log. He is sitting on a log, right? And here is a fan. Okay. Now let's recite the jingle. Freddy the flamingo has long, long legs. He meets a little frog sipping tea on a log. Once again, Freddy the flamingo has long, long legs. He meets a little frog sipping tea on a log. Once again, Freddy the flamingo has long, long legs. He meets a little frog sipping tea on a log. Okay, so you have to learn this jingle, right? Now, teachers and parents know. Step number 1, have the children repeat as many F words as possible, especially those given above. Have the children make sentences using each of these, such as this is a, that is a, I have a, I like, there is a, etc. Okay, so let's make some sentences using of these pictures. Okay, see whose picture is this? You have to make sentence. Yes, this is a fish. This is a fish. F for fish. Now next one. That is a frog. That is a frog. F for frog. I like fruits. I like fruits. F for fruits. I have a flower. I have a flower. F for flower. Okay. There is a fox. There is a fox. F for fox. Okay. So in this way you have to make some simple sentences, right? Now step number 2. Dramatize the rhyme given above by assigning the roles of flamingo and frog to different children. Help them arrange a fan. The conversation between the flamingo and frog can be as under. So you can dramatize this rhyme with your siblings. Okay, students, with your siblings or friends or family members, right? So, flamingo. These are the dialogues of flamingo and frog. Flamingo. Hello, Mr. Frog. Do you want tea? Frog. Yes. Thank you, Freddy. Please sit near the fan. ओके, फ्लैमिंगो ने क्या ऑफर किया उसको? टी. डू यू वांट टी? फ्रॉग. यस. थैंक यू फ्रेडी. प्लीज सिट नियर द फैन. और उसने उसको कहाँ बैठने को बोला? नियर द फैन. फैन के पास. ओके. Now, step number 3, encourage the children to come up and describe in their own words what they see in the picture. Help them make simple statements like, Freddy the Flamingo has long legs. See, Freddy the Flamingo has long legs. है ना? Long legs है ना flamingo की. He meets a little frog sitting on a log sipping tea. और किससे मिला वो? Little frog. है ना? वो कहाँ बैठा था? लॉग के ऊपर. And he is sipping tea, right? They have a fan blowing cool air beside them. और उनके पास में क्या था? फैन जो cool air आ रही थी उसमें से, है ना? ब्लो कर रहे थे. So, discuss animal facts. Flamingos can reach up to 5 feet in height. फ्लैमिंगो की हाइट कितनी होती है? मैक्सिमम 5 feet. सी, लॉन्ग लेग्स है ना, 5 feet. सो their legs are longer than their bodies. उनकी बॉडी से ज्यादा उनकी जो लेग्स हैं वो लॉन्ग होती हैं, है ना, बॉडी से ज्यादा लॉन्ग है, राइट? They get their pink color from the food they eat. जो वो फूड खाते हैं उससे उनका जो बॉडी का जो कलर होता है वो क्या होता है? कौन से कलर का होता है? पिंक कलर. ओके. They get pink color from the food they eat. Flamingos eat shrimp that is pink in color. Shrimp खाते हैं जो कि पिंक कलर की होती है. Do you want to see shrimp? See. Here are shrimp. झींगा जिसे बोलते हैं, shrimp, ये खाते हैं flamingos. Okay. So now they can fly and even swim. वो fly भी कर सकते हैं और swim भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. Ask questions that elicit a response such as, what is the average height of flamingos? Yes, students. Now we read this. What is the average height of flamingos? Flamingos की average height कितनी होती है? 5 feet, right? So the average height of flamingos is 5 feet. Okay. What is your height? अब आपने अपनी हाइट मेजर करनी है. आपकी हाइट क्या है? ठीक है, मम्मा को बोलना आप इंच टेप से आपकी हाइट मेजर करेंगे, राइट? Why are flamingos pink in color? Yes, students. उनका पिंक कलर क्यों होता है? Because they get their pink color from the food they eat. है ना, जो भी वो फूड खाते हैं वो पिंक कलर के होते हैं. श्रिम्प खाते हैं वो पिंक कलर के होते हैं. So that's why they get their pink color from the food they eat. Okay. Do they fly or swim? They can do both, right? They can fly and even swim. Fly भी कर सकते हैं और swim भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. So they can fly and even swim. Now activity. Bring an inch tape or hang a height meter and have the children measure each other's height. Okay. तो अब आपको क्या करना है? आप अपने सिबलिंग्स और अपने फ्रेंड्स की हाइट मेजर करोगे इंच टेप से और हैंग हाइट मीटर से. You have to hang a height meter. Okay, you can use. Now let the children jump like a frog. Have them participate in a frog race. आप अपने फ्रेंड्स और सिबलिंग्स के साथ एक फ्रॉग रेस कर सकते हो. ओके. एंड लेट द चिल्ड्रन जंप लाइक फ्रॉग. और आपको कैसे जंप करना है? फ्रॉग की तरह जंप करते हुए जाना है, ठीक है, रेस करनी है. So you have to learn this jingle and you have to learn these question answers and statements, and you have to try to make some simple sentences also. Right, students? So do the activity at home, progress, do at home, and you have to recite this jingle. You have to share with me your short videos, okay, while reading these jingles, and you have to give me the answers of questions and try to make sentences also. Okay, students? So do practice at home, and now today's spoken session is over.